Hello, I'm Lux Mortis, and today we're going to be going over Fibonacci retracements, kind of what to look for intraday trading that I find to be a little bit more helpful. Most of you guys watching this are already familiar with the swing low to swing high and swing high to swing low, and how to reverse your fibs and for a bullish bearish scenario. But today we're going to kind of be looking at a little bit more intraday style. So the market's open and moving. I want to record this while this is happening so we can get a better understanding of what's going on. So earlier we kind of had, let's say you was trading in here. We came up to here and you kind of started looking at a situation here. So what you look for is, okay, that's a tiny pullback, that's a tiny pullback, and again, we're right here. We don't have this A yet. So let's say, well, I kind of want to see from here to here, because this was a tiny retracement, and then where it rips right here. Let's see what that looks like, and then so all we got is this. So we watch this do this, like, okay, well, all right, it's a little bounce there. Kind of respected the 786, kind of pulled back a little bit. Then one of my favorite areas is kind of holding the golden ratio. My golden pocket is right here. And then it kind of just fucking, boom, 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 and it breaks above this. So in this scenario, we could have said, well, I might take a stab at a 0 day if we get down here and, don't lose the golden pocket, which we did not. If we went down to the 0.5, you could look how it react there. But understand, these are not predictions. How not to use this is, let's say we do this and we're wanting to trade now, which we could most definitely do. Market's open. We want to trade now. What we don't want to do is be like, okay, I can short here because the 382 is here. A lot of people will do this. A lot of retail will do this. A lot of newbies will do this. It becomes a very unhealthy pattern. And what you want to do is wait for the price to come to you. And that's another psychology to this. A lot of people are in a hurry to get their money. So like, oh, I'll just short down there. No, this is just showing you lines on the chart. But the important thing is these are price levels. We want to watch the reaction we get at these price levels. All right, we're smarter than that, guys. We're not going to just, okay, this is here, I'm going to short here. No, we're going to wait, right? We're going to wait. Like if this is the scenario right here, from here to here, then we would wait and see the reactions at each levels. That's why you'll see me in Discord. I'll say, let's take this level by level, guys, and see what's happening. But let's tighten our fibs up because we're intraday trading. We're not swing trading this right now. We're just kind of doing maybe some 0 days. We'll have to reach all that. But if you start to understand more of the concept of the Fibonacci sequence and how it works, then this will make more sense to you. But the 382 is powerful, the 0.5. My bread and butter zone is going to be the 786, and this is my golden pocket. Of course, 382 is powerful because we can come down here, respect that, grind off of that, and then go the other way. Then you can flip your fibs, kind of see what's going on. If we go the other direction, right? Maybe we lose the golden pocket, come back down, respect it, bearish. This will be first target. But intraday trading is tough, so you kind of want leading fibs. So if there's like some consolidation situation, you get into consolidation nation, and it's just chop, 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 and then makes a move. We'd fib the top or the bottom of that consolidation down to that low or that next high, and kind of see where the levels are and how that's reacting. You're not always going to say from low to high, okay, this was it. You want to see that if things are kind of looking like, okay, well, was that the move? For example, kind of keep this short, guys. For example, if we pull from here to here and nothing's respecting any levels and it just looks wonky and it's just kind of all over the place, you know, candles are kind of through in between the lines, nothing looks good, then maybe that's not even a good level to fib out. Maybe wait till you get some more data and redraw your fibs. But this is the best way I've done my intraday fibs, is just kind of keep them in front. Now, you know, I will do like some stronger levels, and let's say, you know, I want to take in the day's data. I want to have an idea where things are and see if they line up with some options flow and some other data, but we're not going to get into that in this video. This is just fib levels at a leading pace, right? We want as leading as possible because, you know, we're trading this, we're front running the market, guys, so we want to get as much edge as you can have. But anyway, I'm Velox Mortis, and I hope you guys trade safe and have a wonderful day. All right, peace.